Hello everyone, this is Lillian from Cuisines and Wellness. To our returning subscribers, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Hit the subscribe button to join the family. So based on popular request, I'll be sharing my secret recipe to how I make delicious, crunchy and party ready chinchin. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So for this, I'm going to be using 7 cups of flour, 3 cups of sugar, vanilla flavor. You can use either the powdery form or the liquid form, whichever one is fine. Your nutmeg, cinnamon, condensed milk, melted margarine or butter, baking powder, egg and water. Add all the dry ingredients together and mix thoroughly. As you can see, I've already added the sugar to the flour, nutmeg, cinnamon, baking powder and vanilla extract. I was actually making this for a client, so I decided to seize the opportunity to film this video for you. So in case you decide to make a smaller quantity, here is the trick to doing so. Let's say for instance, you want to make 3 cups of flour. What you need to do is to add only a cup of sugar to your mixture. A cup of sugar. For those that don't really like sugar, but if you're a lover of sugar, you can decide to maybe add a little more than a cup of sugar to it. Then for the other ingredients, you just need to put them in moderation. After mixing the dry ingredients, then you add the rest of the ingredients into the mixture. Someone asked me how I melt my butter or margarine. It's very easy to do. Cut out the amount you desire to melt, put it in a ceramic bowl or cup, place it in a microwave and set your timer for 1 minute. Or you could boil water. When it's hot enough, place the ceramic plate or cup in it. Allow it to sit for some minutes. That should do the trick. After adding all ingredients to the mixture, mix thoroughly. I know it could be quite difficult mixing with your spoon, so you could set it aside and rub it in using your palms, as I'm doing here. Continue rubbing in until the mixture begins to feel like crumbs. Finally, add water to the mixture. You want to be really careful with the amount of water you add here because you actually don't want the dough to be too watery, stiff or extremely hard. You just want a normal texture dough. After adding the water, continue rubbing it in and kneading it until you get a firm dough. If the dough becomes too sticky, add more flour to it and continue kneading. When you finish kneading, seal and set aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the dough is ready for cutting. Sprinkle some flour on a clean surface to prevent the dough from sticking. Cut a small amount of dough, place it on the surface, Use your rolling pin to roll it out. When it's flat enough, cut to your desired shape and size using either a pizza cutter or a kitchen knife. I'm using a pizza cutter here because it's much easier and faster than a kitchen knife. After you're done cutting, deep fry on moderate heat. After you finish cutting, deep fry on moderate heat because frying on high heat will get it burnt, and frying on low heat will make it absorb a lot of oil, which you wouldn't want. Fry to golden brown. So here you have it, guys, your sweet, delicious, crunchy, patty ready chinchin. If you try out this recipe, do well to tag us. We are on Instagram and Facebook. You can find the links to these platforms in our description box below. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our uploads. Hit the like button, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.